Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In today's video, I will show you how to build a restaurant website using AI. The best part, no prior experience needed. With a user-friendly drag and drop builder, you won't need any coding knowledge. Here's what we'll cover from start to finish. 1. How to get Hostinger website builder. 2. How to create your restaurant website using AI. 3. How to add a sticky bar. 4. How to edit the header. 5. How to create a restaurant website logo. 6. How to edit the home page. 7. How to edit your website mobile version. 8. How to create a table booking page. 9. How to add legal pages. And 10. How to design a website favicon. And remember, your website will load quickly, keeping both of your visitors and Google happy. Without any further ado, let's start with how to get your Hostinger website builder. To get your Hostinger website builder, first visit Hostinger website. To visit Hostinger website, you can use my affiliate link, which is bensexperience.com/Hostinger. Using this link will definitely support me create more content like this at no extra cost to you. So thank you for your support. And if you need any help related to Hostinger website builder or building your restaurant website, feel free to reach me at ben@bensexperience.com for free help. After visiting Hostinger website, click on Website Builder, then Hostinger Website Builder. Scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, Hostinger offers 3 website builder plans: the premium, the business, and the commerce one. All of these plans comes with a free domain name, free email account, same 150 website pre-made templates, marketing integrations, the 30-day money-back guarantee, and the 24/7 customer support. And with the business plan, you can host up to 10 websites instead of just one website with the premium plan. Unfortunately, AI tools like the image generator, AI writer, also the AI blog post generator, are not available with the premium plan. This is why I recommend you to go with the Hostinger business website builder plan. Click on choose plan. Now select your subscription from 1 year, 2 years, or 4 years. With the 4 years, you get 3 months for free and a renewal price per month that is a little bit cheaper compared to 2 years or just 1 year. After that, fill in your email address and password here in order to create your account. Then scroll down to fill in your personal information. But since they are optional, you can skip this step. After that, verify the total you will pay today. Then fill in your credit card information here. And finally, click on Submit Secure Payment. If you want to pay with PayPal, just select it from this list. Then click on Checkout using PayPal. After completing your payment, you will be redirected to your Hostinger account. Now go to Websites, then click on Add Website. Select Hostinger Website Builder. You can go with pre-made website templates, but for this video, I will create my restaurant website using AI. For that, click on Start Creating. From this website type list, select Restaurant. Fill in your restaurant name, for example, Gourmet Grove. And for the description, here all you need to do is to describe your website like you are describing it to a web designer, for example. You also have an example that you can use to get inspired. And this is my restaurant website description. Create a website for my restaurant, Gourmet Grove, located in New York. The website should feature a modern and elegant design that reflects the upscale nature of our establishment, and our restaurant is located at this address. As you can see, my description is great. Under personalization settings, you can pick your website colors. You can go with Surprise Me or pick your color from this list of colors. Let's go with this one. You can also pick your colors manually. Now hit create a website and wait a moment. This is the restaurant website I got using Hostinger AI. As you can see, this is a simple navigation bar with a big photo and some welcoming text, two buttons, another welcoming section with a fat burger. Same thing here. This is a testimonials section, another section with some details or services, contact section, and the footer. As you can see, this is a very good start to work on. I am satisfied with this result or the Hostinger website builder AI. Now let's start editing this website. The first thing I want to start with is adding a sticky bar. Adding a sticky bar in Hostinger website builder is easy. Just with your mouse hover over the website header, then click on add sticky bar. Double click this text to put your own text, book your table now, or order exquisite dishes online, call us at this number. To make a phrase bold, just select it, just like that, and click on bold. Same thing with the call us. To add a link to this book your table now text, first select your text. Let's say my website is, for example, gourmetgrow.com/book. Copy your booking page link, then reselect your text and hit Command V on MacBook or Control V on PCs. As you can see, now I have a link underlined under this text. To preview your work, just click on preview, and as you can see, now this is a link and this is a text. To distinguish this sticky bar from the header, I will give it a background color. To do that, just click on back to editor, select your sticky bar section, click on edit section. You can go with a color or an image. I will go with a color. Click on this white color circle and pick your color from this tool. Let's go with this color. Let's preview my work. This is my sticky bar in this yellow color that catch eyes. Now what I want to do, as you can see, both of my header and the sticky bar are sticking to the top. I want to only the sticky bar to be sticking to the top. To do that, I need to edit my header. To edit your website header, just click on the header section, click on edit header, and a new settings window will open up. To stop your header from being sticky to the top, uncheck this button. You can also edit the link spacing and also the top and bottom spacing. You can use these templates to select between different header elements order. Let's go with the logo in the middle. From the Elements tab, you can show or hide different elements of your header, the logo, the social icons, and also this big button. I will skip this logo tab because I have a dedicated video chapter for the logo. And under style, you can select between the header, the button, this button, or social icons. When you select the button, for example, you can edit the text. For example, book a table, and you can link it to a page, a web address, or a specific section of your website. I will skip this step because I don't have my booking table or my booking system yet. You can edit the button fill color just from that. Let's use an orange color. You can also edit the text color. Let's go with black. You can change the text font from here. Let's make this text or button bigger. For the button border color, let's go with the black. and make the border width a little bit wider to see our black color. You can do the same thing with the header background. You can go with a color. Let's go with the white color. You can make your header transparent. You can change the text of your header, and same thing with header text color. Let's edit the social icons. You can add a new social platform. You can edit your social link or delete a social platform if you don't have it. You can also edit the social icons size. Let's make it a little bit smaller. And this is how to edit your header in Hostinger Website Builder. Let's make it a little bit shorter from top to bottom. Now your website is still offline. To make it available to the public, just click on this Go Live button. And this is my website live. My sticky bar is always sticking to the top, and this is my new website header. To design my restaurant website logo, I will use the free version of Canva. Click on Create a Design, select Logo. Now search for your niche here. I will go with restaurant, hit search. Let's go with this free design. Double click this text and write your website name. Let's delete this slogan. Now select your design elements just like that. With the right button of your mouse, click on download section. Select PNG to have a transparent background, then hit download. To upload this logo to your restaurant website, just go back to your Hostinger website builder, click on your website logo and hit replace image. Click on upload files, locate your logo on your computer and click open. Now select your logo and it will be updated just like that. Let's make my header a little bit shorter. And always update your website to not lose your work. Editing your website homepage is also easy. Let's start with this section. First click on it and click edit section. For the background, I can go with a color like that. You can go with an image, just click replace image. You can go with free images from this service called Unsplash, or upload them from your computer. You can even select a video as your section background, just like that. To replace this video, click on replace video, then select a video from this free videos library provided by Pixel's service. Let's keep this video, I like it. You can edit your overlay opacity for your video to make your text easier to read. Let's go with this overlay opacity. To edit this text, for example, just double click it, then edit your text. Editing this text place is also easy. Just select it with your mouse and move it as you like. Same thing with this text. To edit your text color, first select your text, then you can pick your color from this list. Let's go with the white. You can also select your text style from heading 1 to 3 to a paragraph. You can also select or edit your font from here by even uploading one from your computer. You can edit your font size, make it bold, italic, underline, and add a link. This button, you can resize it just like that, make it bigger, smaller. To edit the button text, just double click it. Under button text, you can edit your button text. You can link your button to a page on your website, an external web address. You can even link to a specific section on one of your website pages. Now I will skip this step because I don't have a booking table page yet. Under style, you can pick the fill color of your button. You can also edit the text color. Same thing with the text font, the text size. You can edit your button border color. Let's keep it wide. Border width, let's make it a little bit wider. And the button corner radius. You can add an animation to your button. I will go with the scale animation. Now let's see the other sections of my website. I don't know the goal of this section, so I will delete it and start a new one from scratch. Same thing with the testimonials section. I think it's ugly and I will use a fresh testimonials section. I'm not sure about this section, but this contact us section is perfect. These are the sections that I will add in my homepage. Let's start with the menu section. Because I don't have an idea of how to create a menu in Hostinger Website Builder, I will generate it using AI because the imagination of AI is better than mine. To add a new section, just hover with your mouse over these two sections. A new button will pop up. Click on Add Section. You can select between generating a section using AI. You can create a blank section. Let's go with Generate a section using AI. Now I need to describe my menu section for the AI. My prompt is create a menu page section for my restaurant website called Gourmet Grove. This section should be visually appealing, showcasing our diverse and delicious offerings. For each category, starters, main courses, dessert, list at least 5 items with their names, short descriptions, and prices. At the bottom, add a reserve a table button. As you can see, my description is great. You can also see a description example to be inspired. After that, click on Create Section. This is the result of my prompt. As you can see, a good title, a little description, and the menu here lacks the photos, but no problem. I will avoid them. This is a big photo that I will delete. And also he forgot the big button, but I will add it myself. Let's start with the button. Click on Add Element, drag and move button, and make it a little bit bigger, like that. Double click it to edit the text, book your table, go to style, then select the fill color. I will go with an orange button, just like that. For the text color, I will go with the black. I will make my text a little bit bigger. For the border, I will go with the black and I will make my border width a little bit wider. Let's make my button here. To delete this empty space, just use this section height tool and make it shorter. As you see, the AI added my menu section above this section with this background video. To move it down, just select your menu section, then use this move down arrow. Now my menu section is below this first section. The second section that I need to add is a gallery section. To show you a different method to create your sections, instead of creating one from scratch, let's delete this one and use its background. Let's remove this image, same thing with this text. delete these photos, this text. Now let's make this section a little bit shorter, just like that. Now to add a gallery, first let's give this section a big title. To do that, click on add element, drag and move text element, call it gallery. To add a gallery element, same thing, drag and move the gallery, then place it where you want it to be. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's make this section a little bit taller, just like that. To edit your images, just click on manage gallery, then add your images. You can upload them from your computer or go with free photos provided by Unsplash, I think. Let's go with some restaurant photos. Let's go with this one. To delete a photo, just click on this little bin icon. Let's delete all the photos and add new ones. This is the photos I've used. To reorder your photos, just drag and move them, just like that. Now close this window, and this is my gallery inside my section. Let's make it a little bit bigger. To edit your gallery, click on edit gallery. You can edit the layout from a grid to masonry. You can also edit the items per row. Let's go with 4. You can also edit the gap between photos. I want them like that. And also what happens after a click. I will click open full screen preview. You can also add an animation for this gallery, but I will not do it. Close this window. This gallery section should have a color to have a great contrast. To do that, click on edit section, go to background, select color, then click on this little white circle. Pick your color from this tool. Let's go with this brighter color, and this is my gallery section. Let's make it a little bit taller, and this is how to create your restaurant website gallery section. The next section that I will create is a testimonials section. I already have this testimonial section, but I don't like it, so I will delete it. First, select this section and hit delete. To create a new one, same thing, click on add section. Now, instead of generating it using AI, I will go directly with a testimonials section. There are many testimonials templates to go with. I prefer this one. First, let's call it testimonials. To edit this review, just double click the text and rewrite it yourself. Same thing with the reviewer name. To edit this photo, just click on it, hit edit image, click on replace image, then click on upload files to upload it from your computer. For these stars, you can delete a star or copy and paste a new one. Now let's see how to add an Instagram feed section. For this Instagram section, I will use this section background. So I will delete all of these elements. Let's first give this section a name or a title. For example, check our IG. Now click again on add element and select Instagram feed. It's similar to the gallery, just make it a little bit bigger. Then click on edit feed in order to connect your restaurant Instagram and start showing your latest Instagram photo automatically on your website. Click on connect, then follow the process. You can also edit the number of items. Let's go with it. Items. You can also edit the number of items per row. the gap between photos. Let's make this section a little bit shorter in order to have a button to start getting some followers from our website. Double click this button, follow us on IG. For the links, select web address, fill in your Instagram profile link, and under style, let's edit the fill color of this button and make it bigger, just like that. And this is how to add an Instagram feed section in Hostinger website builder. The next section in my tutorial is this contact us section. As you can see, this background photo is ideal, so no editing required here. Same thing with this form, but even with that, I will show you how to edit a contact form in Hostinger. First, click on the form, then click edit form. You can rename your form name. You can edit the email address that will receive notifications after each form submissions. You can also see your form submissions from here. Under fields, you can add a new field. There are many field types to go with. To edit a field, just click on it in order to open, and you can edit the field label name. You can also edit the placeholder text. This is the placeholder text. You can edit the field type. You can go with plain text, email, or phone. You can make this field required or not required. And you can remove this field, of course. Same thing with the other fields. The next tab is called button. Here you can edit your button text. You can also edit the action that will happen after a successful form submission. You can go with show a message, you can edit it, or you can link to a page in order to redirect them to a dedicated thank you page on your website. Let's go with show a message. Under style, you can edit the style of the submit button, this one, the form fields, and also the background. Under animation, you can give this form an animation. Let's go with a scale form. Close this window. The last section of our website is the footer section. Here, just double click this title, fill in your restaurant name, for example, Gourmet Grove. Here you can add your location, for example. For the social icons, you click on edit social icons. Same thing, you can edit your social links or delete a platform if you don't use it. You can edit the icons size and also the layout. Under for location, I will place it a little bit here. You can fill in your email address, location, and phone number, for example. For this subscribe form, I will first delete it and use this text to insert my legal pages text. For example, privacy policy. And instead of creating a new text element, I will just duplicate it like that and call it terms and conditions. A little bit later, I will show you how to create your legal pages in Hostinger website builder. Before showing you how to edit the mobile version of your website, first let's update my website to not lose my work. At the same time, view my website live. This is my website homepage. This is the menu section, the gallery section, also the testimonials, the IG section, the IG follow button, the contact us section, and also the footer. To edit the mobile version of your website, all you need to do is to click on this little smartphone icon. Now verify that your website shows good also on mobile. For example, let's make this section a little bit shorter. This is the menu. This is an error that I need to edit. Click on the button and go to style, and under text size, make this, or instead of making this text smaller, let's make the button bigger, just like that. This is my gallery section. Let's make it taller. These are the testimonials you can show on your home page. Same thing with the IG. Let's make it in the center. This is a button that I need to edit. Make this a little bit taller. The contact us section is correct, and also the footer. Before seeing this video chapter, don't forget to give this video a like, and if you are satisfied with this tutorial, you can support my work at no extra cost to you by using my Hostinger link from the description below. Now let's see how to create a restaurant booking page in Hostinger website builder. First, you need to have the e-commerce or a shop feature in your website. To do that, click on this online store icon. Click on add store. As you can see, a new store page is added to my website. Now go to website builder and switch to your store manager. Select your store country, for example, US. The currency is correct. Click on continue. This is your store dashboard. Now go to appointments to enable this appointment feature. This is your calendar. You can block time or edit your availability. Let's start with edit availability. Check the days when your restaurant is open. Let's go with Saturday and Sunday. You can also select your available time from just like that, and you can add a second time slot for your day. Now click on save. This is your calendar. Now let's block days when your restaurant is not available. To do that, click on block time. Select the days when your restaurant is not open. As you can see, your unavailable dates are these ones. Click on save. Now we need to create a product to book. For that, go to products. Then click on add product. Select appointment like that. You can add a photo to your product. For example, let's go with this photo. You can add multiple photos for your booking product. Now let's give your booking product a title. For example, book a 2-person table. Now give your booking product a description, something like this. For pricing, select enabled. Your original price, for example, $100, and the discounted price is $80. Even though this discount price field does not have this little point, it's still required, and this is one of the bugs of Hostinger website builder. Under time and place, write something like location, 2 dots, Gournay Grove, New York. For the duration, you can go with a booking duration of 30 minutes, for example. You can select minutes or hours. Unfortunately, you cannot skip this duration field, and also you can't fill in something under 15 minutes, like 14 minutes, for example. So let's go with 30 minutes. For the appointment conditions, this field is optional, and you can use it if you want to set an additional time condition, for example 1 day. So with this condition, no one can book a table on the same day. So I will skip it. You can also edit your availability or block time from this place. Now let's save this product. What I will do now is to create another similar product for the 4-person table, for example. Instead of creating one from scratch, let's duplicate this one. Unfortunately, you still need to upload the image again. I will go with this photo, for example. Book a 4-person table. The description will still the same. For the pricing, I will go with 150 and the discount price is 120. For the categories, location, the same, no condition. Click on save. I have two booking products. What I need to do is to create a category in order to use this category to show my booking system on my page. First, click on add category, call it booking products, click on assign products, select your booking products, click save. Now click on edit website to return to your website builder. Now let's create a new page where I will add my booking system. Go to pages and navigation, click on add page. Here go with an online store, select the product list template, and this is your booking page that for sure needs to be edited. First click on edit section, under filters, and check this option next to show categories as filters, and from this list select your booking products. This is why you need to assign your booking products in a category. As you can see, now my booking page only shows my two booking products, the 2-person table and the 4-person table. In order to hide details like two products and this sorting tool, click on edit section, click on sorting and disable sorting. Same thing with the total product count and check it. And now I have no little details in this page, but I still need a big title for this page. To create a new title, add an element, then select text. As you can see, I can't add the text element here. To overcome this, just click a new section, select a blank section, resize it like that, and move it up. This is my new section. Now add my text inside this new section. Call it book a table. Let's edit the background of this section. Let's go with the black and make my text white, or call it select your table size. A little detail that I still need to edit is this booking page name in this navigation. As you can see, I already have this book a table button in my header, so I will first rename this page to not lose it inside within pages, and at the same time I will hide it in this navigation menu. To do that, click on pages and navigation, click on this little circle next to product list and select rename. Call it book your table, and for the page link I will call it booking to make it easy to remember. Click on save, and to hide this page from this header, all you need to do is to drag and move it here under hidden from navigation. Same thing with this store page. I want it to be hidden, so what I need to do is to edit this button link. To do that, click on header, edit header, go to style, select button, and a link to a page. Select your page from this list. For example, or not for example, for sure, book your table and close this window. Another detail that I just noticed is this little star icon. This is a restaurant website and not an e-commerce shop, so I need to hide this shop bag icon. To do that, click on the header section, edit header, go to elements, and uncheck showing the shopping cart. And always update your website to not lose your work. Let's view my website live. This is my website. Click on book a table. It is important to use titles like this to help your website visitors take action. Now let's click on a product. For example, this is my booking product title. This is the original price, the discounted price, the booking duration. The location is this one. My product description is this one, and this is the photo. Click on book now. A new window will open up. Pick your date here. As you can see, this Saturday is not available to book because I blocked this day in my calendar. After the day, select the time. As you can see, my booking details are automatically updated. After that, click on book. We can't accept online orders right now. This is due to my lack of payment methods in my store. To fix that, just go to your website builder, switch to your store manager, click on store settings, go to payments. You can enable multiple payment methods in your store like dLocalGo, PayPal, Stripe, or manual payments. I will go with manual payment. I will call it cash at the restaurant. Here I will write something like we accept major cards, PayPal and Venmo, for example. Click on save. Now that I have a payment method, click on book now, select a time, click on book. This is my product. Your website visitors can use discount codes. Now fill in the contact information, for example, select a state and hit confirm booking. Your available payment methods will show up here, then click on place an order. Thank you for your order. This is an example of email notification you will receive after each booking. This is the email title, the order number. You can click this button to view your order on your website. This is the order details, date, the customer information, and the used payment method. To manage your booking on your website, just go to appointments. This is an booking order in my calendar. This is the title, the information, the event details like the time and location, and the client details. And this is how to create an online booking system for your restaurant website. Creating legal pages in Hostinger Website Builder is super easy. First, go to Pages and Navigation. Click on Add Page. From this menu, click on Privacy Policy. Select this template. Fill in your company name, Gourmet Grove LLC. Then click on Add Page. And now your privacy policy page is created in your website. Let's do the same thing with the Terms and Conditions page. Go to Pages and Navigation, click on Add Page, select Terms and Conditions, fill in your company name, and hit Add Page. And this is your Terms and Conditions. First thing, let's add them to this two text here. Select Privacy Policy, click on Link, and select your page from this list. Privacy Policy, click Save. Same thing with the Terms and Conditions. Select Terms and Conditions, hit Save. Before updating my website, let's remove my legal pages from this navigation menu. To do that, click on Pages and Navigation and drag and move them here. Then click Update Website. Let's view my website. Scroll down to the footer, click on Privacy Policy. This is your first legal page. Click on Terms and Conditions, and this is your legal pages. It's super easy. A little detail that my restaurant website still lacks is a little favicon here. To add it to my website, just go to Website Settings, click on General Settings, click on favicon and add image. If you don't have a favicon yet, you can create it using this little website. It's called favicon.io. Click on Generator, give it a letter, for example G for gourmet. Let's go with the font size 180. You can preview your favicon here. I will go with the white and black. Let's see it, I like it. Click on download. My favicon is downloaded in a zip format. Click on it to decompress it. Now head back to your website builder and click on add page. Click on upload files. Locate your favicon like that and double click it to start uploading it. Click on select and don't forget to hit save, then update your website. Click on view site, and this is my favicon here. Recording this tutorial was not easy, so if you want to support me at no extra cost for you, just use my Hostinger affiliate link to visit Hostinger. And if you need any help related to building your restaurant website, feel free to reach me at ben@bensexperience.com and I will help you for free. Don't forget to give this video a like and let me know how you find this tutorial in the comments below.